Jeez, give me a heart attack, guys. Oh, thanks, Sam.
You're welcome.
Are you filming?
Maybe?
Maybe?
And the stretch.
Watch.
And the pitch. And then strike.
Died.
You keep it.
Ground ball right back to the pitcher.
Go again.
Oh, that's
Wow. Good job.
I know.
Can I swing and kick the ball?
Sure.
Do you want to record, Casey?
Sure. Here, Sam. Let's do it.
And stretch. And the pitch.
Oh!
Oh! Woo! Home run. Home run.
Left foot. Oh wait, after on the base.
Oh, wow. The non-existent base.
Oh, okay. Casey, so do you want to like just keep going? Oh!
That's attached to your wrist.
Okay. Okay, it's Laura's turn. How do you zoom in?
Use the top little thing.
The top little thing. Okay. Never mind. I'll just.
That was all.
I don't know the zoom. Okay.
My supernova girl.
Laura?
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't know what.
Zoom. Got it! I don't even know where that went.
And you're out.
Well,
I know, the tree's in the way.
Yeah, here we go. This is not a good dance. I'm gonna hit it and then Taylor's gonna go and catch it. Alright. Maybe, I think.
like anyone can catch that.
Off the feather ball pole. I just said feather ball. Okay.
It should be Taylor's turn to kick, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
No pitch because I started kicking after. Whoa, holy poop sauce.
Am I pitching?
Yep.
I can't pitch.
Ow, my foot. My knees look really tan.
Okay, are you ready?
Well, okay, I love how you were filming.
Well, I've been filming this whole time, by the way.
Laura, going now.
Okay.
Right.
Oh. Ball in my eyes. Okay, let's try this again, Sam.
Okay.
Strike zone's right in here.
Nice. Wow, okay. That tree really needs to go away.
It needs to die. Okay, Taylor, it's really bad.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Okay, let's see how Taylor does.
Oh wow, I left mine in the way.
I don't even...
Got him all the way. Ow. Oh, Henry? No.
What?
What's his name?
Oh, Hardy.
Oh, Hardy. Oh, Hardy. I was like, oh,
I'm like,
Henry, no.
What the F?
Okay, Laura's gotta stop swinging because she's gotta run.
Laura kills herself. Run faster! Gosh. Nice faces, Laura.
Okay. I can't run it.
And here she comes. Home stretch.
Just going.
Okay. And behind me.
I got you out at first base even before you started